What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're out here at the Galveston beachfront. I might be out here a little bit too early, but the water's starting to clean up, guys. We're gonna be having low winds for like a week straight, and I'm gonna start giving y'all the spots, guys, where I be fishing. This is the 39, booth 39. This is the one I'm gonna be fishing at. Whenever I come out here and fish the seawall, most of y'all ask me, what jetty are you fishing at? And I don't really pay attention to the street name. I'm gonna just start giving y'all the booth, which that is 39, guys. But guys, whenever the water cleans up in the beachfront, please come out here and fish, guys, because you're guaranteed to catch something, guys. Especially if you're using live shrimp, croaker, or just cut mullet, you're guaranteed you're gonna catch some good sized fish, guys. But we're making our way to the end of this small jetty. We got live shrimp. We got the cast net for some mullet. We're gonna be casting out there and hopefully to catch something good, guys. So y'all stay tuned for it. Thank y'all so much for all the support that y'all been giving me. Let's get straight into the video. Woo! Here we go, guys. We're on something. Let's go ahead and hook it right on top now. Oh, big dog. Is he running? Oh, it might be a red or a shark. All right, guys, let's go ahead and put our shrimp. Shrimp are good size, really good. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and cast right here up close to see if maybe there's a flounder somewhere around here. Y'all check out that current right here, guys. I'm gonna rethrow it. Just gonna let it hang out around there. First, I'm gonna let it drift on this current. If there's nothing in there, reel it back up, cast behind the current. I just know there's something in there. All right, I went ahead and cast it behind. And as you can tell, it's starting to go back in, and then it's gonna shoot right in the current. Water's looking really good out there, guys. Here we go, guys. We're on something. Nice little trout. Ooh. Yes, baby. I knew something was gonna come in here. Beautiful little trout. Not sure if it's a keeper though. But we'll measure him up right now and see if he's a little keep. I don't know. He's literally right at 15. Nice. A little bit short. Huh? But once again, guys, we are here at we're at the booth 39. This is the one I'm fishing at right now. Ugh. This probably the one I fish here most of the time. We're just letting my shrimp just do his job out there with the floater. The floater's just giving me like a heads up. Yo, something's eating me and something's got me. Set the hook, pop them. And we're actually fishing in a real bad condition right now. Like the waves are crazy, the wind's blowing, but the winds should be dropping like literally in like an hour to like 5 miles per hour. Man, we're fishing some crazy conditions, guys. Oh my God. My rod is wrapped, bro. My rod. On a ladyfish. Oh, poor man, Sarpin got bait. Yes. All right, guys.
Check out what Brandon caught. Go check out his channel.
We're gonna go ahead and put a circle hook, guys. Some ladyfish. We're gonna send it out. Far out. Right in there. Let's go ahead and start fishing for trout again. All right, guys, so this is the Alijoz 300, and that over there, the one I just chunked, that big piece of bait, is the Alijoz 400H, which that one over there is the big mama. That one has the drag for like big fish, which I plan on catching a special fish on that one, so y'all stay tuned for that, guys. Here. Huh? Ooh, another one, guys. Is it? Came right off. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cast it right here in the corner. Ooh, so smooth. big dog. Is he running? Oh, it might be a red or a shark. What is that? Yeah, another shark. Woo! Oh, it came off. Another beautiful shark, guys. Get it. Let's go ahead and pack everything up, guys, and just get ready for tomorrow morning because we are going to Freeport. The water is really nice out there, guys, and we're gonna try it and get on some trouts. How do you know it's something good? Loosen up that drag, you're gonna lose them. Sheesh.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah.